Solve the inequality log base 2 of x minus 4 is greater than 4. Whenever you're solving an inequality, you're going to do the same exact things that you would do when solving a regular old equation. So right now, all I have to do is unleash x by base 2ing both sides. So if I base 2 both sides, 2 log base 2 cancels out, drop down the x minus 4. Greater than is still greater than, and 2 to the 4th is 16. I'm going to add 4 to both sides, and x is just going to be greater than 20. So the answer is C. Now do be careful if you have to divide both sides by a negative or whatever, then you worry about flipping the signs. If you multiply both sides by negative, same thing. That didn't happen here. You're just treating it like an equal sign, and at the end of the day, you just did the same exact thing that you would normally do if it was an equal sign. You just didn't have an equal sign.